Emer was not just a wife, but a warrior's equal. How much do you know about this legendary Irish woman? Who was Emer's husband? Who was Emer's father? What did Folklore do to stop her marriage? Where was Emer raised? Who trained Chulainn for Emer? How did Emer respond to Chulainn's affairs? What did Folklore demand Chulainn do? What did Chulainn do to win Emer? Who tried to take Emer from Chulainn? How did Emer react to Chulainn's death? What did Emer offer Chulainn at first? Who helped Chulainn take Emer? What warrior desired Emer? How did Emer die? What did Folklore do when Chulainn took Emer? Who did Emer welcome despite Chulainn's love for her? What did Emer say when Chulainn died? Emer's love and wisdom shaped a hero's fate. How well did you score? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more mythological stories and quizzes from Broken Sword Gaming.